Sopami Car Coating Spray is marketed as a fast-acting graphene and ceramic-infused coating that offers hydrophobic protection, scratch resistance, and showroom shine with a simple spray and wipe application. The brand emphasizes ease of use, claiming protection for months and suitability for multiple surfaces like paint, plastic, and glass. Prices typically range between $21 and $25 per bottle, accessible via third-party vendors like Amazon, often with flashy social media demos showcasing dramatic water beading. My personal test revealed that while Sopami does produce some initial gloss and slight water bead effects, the visual impact fades quickly within days. Though water initially beads modestly, the effect diminishes by day 3. By day 7, the shine has largely disappeared, the surface attracts dust, and application streaks become visible, especially if applied unevenly. It feels more like a detailed spray than a protective coating. Similarly, other reviewer sites showcase overwhelmingly positive testimonials, often using generic phrases like game changer, long-lasting shine, and hydrophobic performance. These reviews frequently lack detail about performance over time, preparation requirements, or photo evidence, and may appear promotional rather than experiential. On the other hand, a critical review from Kefala explicitly labels Sopami as a scam. It notes that, despite promises of superior protection and gloss, many users report no real lasting effect. Negative feedback appears on platforms like TikTok and Amazon, and the product simply does not work as advertised. From a detailing expert perspective, the broader community on Reddit often views budget spray on coatings skeptically. Experienced users note that most spray coatings lack the durability and hydrophobic strength of professional high-solid ceramic coatings. These sprays can provide temporary gloss but don't protect long-term or resist wear meaningfully. Sopami works briefly as a gloss-enhancing detailer spray. It does not deliver long-lasting protection, and its hydrophobic effects are fleeting. Claims of ceramic or graphene-based durability appear overstated. Some negative evaluations even deem it deceptive marketing rather than outright fraud.